Hi guys, I'm back again. It's your boy Garcia, and today I made an Encyclopedia clone. This website lets users insert their entries using Markdown language, and then the site automatically converts it to HTML before it displays it to the user. So here on this entry page, if we go like slash Wikipedia, maybe HTML, it's gonna show all the contents of the HTML as long as these entry titles, exist. You see, so it exists because we can find all pages here. But if we decide to enter a page that doesn't exist, like wiki slash drink, it doesn't exist because it is not over there. Yeah, so getting on to this index page, so you see all of these are like hyperlinks. We can click on any one of these and it takes us straight to that page, as you can see. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And then moving on to the search option. So in the search option, we can also search for like CSS, and then it must take us to that page, Python, it must also take us to that page, and we can also go like D, and then it will recommend us, you see, like O. So you see it will recommend us, yeah, instead of typing in everything there, you can just like type in letters that you know that are in the name of the page. Yeah, and then you can also create a new page of yours, because you can see what we have here. And last time we checked, we got an error when we entered drink. So let's make a page called drink, and then we're gonna say drink using this markup language, drink. And then it's too hot, maybe I can say it's too hot. Yeah, I need one. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna save that. You see, drink is too hot. I need one. And then when we go to our home, hopefully it added drink. So we written it in a markup language, and then you see it converted it to HTML. And then what's next? Yeah, we can also edit. So we can also edit here in this text area. We can also edit the title. Maybe it's too hot. We need one. If it's too hot, we also need one. If it's too hot, I don't know, I'm just, it's just for example's sake. If it's too hot, we also need one. Yeah, we also need one. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, so save. Hopefully it saves. Yeah, it's saved. So go to home. When you go to drink, yes, it's saved. So yeah, it works. And then random page, finally there's this random page, and then on the random page you just click, and then it will take you to random pages of, you know all the whole contents and titles and everything. Just click and click and click. Yeah, so I made this project using Django, Python, Django, HTML, and CSS. Yeah, so as you saw, guys, you just write the content using the Markdown language, and then it converts it into HTML. You see, converts it into HTML. So everything is written in the Markdown language. Like this here is written in the Markdown language, and then it converts it to HTML. You see. So that was it for this one, and this one took me the whole day to make. Yeah, I know it looks easy, but yeah, it took me the whole day. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you on the next project.